Because it's a praying mantis. Ice cream, what's the matter? I got hiccups. Oh no, let's find a cure. This time we got 16 volts. Money is safe with 2 volts. Same with ice cream. Why am I in the bottom too? Actually, Window's gonna be in danger to danger because you're safe with 4 volts. So, Window, goodbye. No, I can't leave. Please send me to heaven. Wish granted. Your challenge is to kill my hiccups. Oh my gosh, my hiccups sound so weird now. Ew, ice cream. It cured my hiccups. Thanks, Candy. So, vote for someone in the comments to be eliminated. Please don't vote me. No! Stop this chaos, please.